Made of durable bamboo. Makes perfectly pressed plantains, or tostones, perfect for cooking. Makes jumbo-sized tostones, a staple in Caribbean kitchens. Loop for easy hanging after use. Ideal when making tostones, patacones, or any other food that requires mashing. The IMUSA Tostonera is made from wood, ideal for making perfectly pressed street ones, or patacones, with just the right thickness and shape. The Tostonera is an essential tool in the Latin kitchen. Street ones are crispy fried plantains, very popular in Hispanic cuisine as side dishes and appetizers. The IMUSA Tostonera easily flattens sliced plantains and prepares them to be fried. Top reviews from the United States. Upped my tostone game. I used to use bowls and pots to make my tostones, but not anymore. This press makes it so much easier and faster to make tostones. Other reviews mentioned issues with the screws coming out, but mine had been fine after using it bunch of times. I noticed oiling the press makes plantains stick to the surface, so instead I recommend using plastic wrap or sandwich bags to cover the surface, which makes cleanup very easy. Also, like using any other pressing method, you still need to par-cook the plantain before using the press.